Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on SoFi. I did a video on them yesterday, and they're really down today. So, just doing an update on them. I watch them from time to time. I hold a couple shares. I only have one here in Robinhood. Have some more in a retirement, but this is a long-term play for me, and it's kind of an interesting company where everything's going online. So. I actually have their platform. I've traded on it in the past. I haven't in a while. When I first got into it, I didn't know much about their platform and found out it was market orders. I very rarely, hardly ever do a market order unless it's something that I'm really wanting to get into and the limit order does not fill, so therefore I really haven't used their platform all that long. But I believe you can do limit orders on their platform now, so I just haven't been on their platform in a while. So, but back to SoFi, and the ticker is SoFi. Here you can kind of see what they've done today. And here's a look at over the last 3 months, 1461 on up to 2389, and then it's just been kind of coming down ever since then. Same thing with the 1 month. 1 week just been kind of up and down all over the place, and then we got this drop off here today. So, and here's a look at it today. So I just have one share here in Robinhood. Like I said, I have more in a retirement. This is the only account that I show on the channel. Currently at $14.95. If you don't know what this one is, it's home loans, personal loans, school loans, credit card. It's an online platform. Been around since 2011. And here's a look at their earnings. And it's kind of weird it doesn't show when I bought my share, but it must have been around July time. Looks like I tried buying one there at $16.80. That was canceled, didn't fill. I'm kind of glad it didn't fill right now. So in regards to the price, it'd be down about $2 on that one. So but I come across some information here. SoFi Technologies shares have lost 25.68% over the past month, and as you can see, this is just stated here today. So they've seen 8.82 million shares traded in the last trading session. The company currently valued at $12.61 billion, closed the trade at $15.51 per share, which it meant it lost 19 cents on the day, or down 1.21% during the session. The stock price was down 82.21% off of its 52-week high price of $28.26 and 34.88% above the 52-week low of $10.10. If we look at the company's 10-day average daily trading volume, we find that it stood at 16.25 million shares traded. The 3-month volume is 10.92 million shares. So in the last trading session, the stock had traded in the green, and over the last 5 days, with the highest price hit on Monday on 7/26, where it touched 15.51, or saw a rise of 6.85% year to date. SoFi Technologies shares have moved 24.68%, while the 5-day performance has seen it change 2.24%. Over the past 30 days, the shares of SoFi have changed minus 25.68%. So if you have any of SoFi, go ahead and list that in the comments, whether you're long or short term. I'm definitely long term on this one, and what your cost basis is, and any other information you might have on this one. Here it kind of goes over some Wall Street analysts' price predictions. Feel free and pause and go over that. And we'll be going over some ratings here at the end. Insiders own 23.77% of the company's shares, while shares held by institutions stand at 2.58%, with a share float percentage of 3.39%. Investors are also buoyed by the number of investors in a company, with SoFi Technologies Incorporated having a total of 146 institutions that hold shares in the company. So again, very nice to see some insider and some institutions holding. That just kind of reassures me in the stock price, and if institutions are getting into it, for the most part, it should be a good deal. SOFI Technologies revenue clocked in at $565.53 million, up 26.21% year to date. And kind of goes over what's next. So they closed the session on 7/23 at 1570. The day's price range saw the stock hit a low of $15.44 with the highest price level at $16.04. The company reported on July 15 that SoFi schedules a conference call to discuss Q2 2021 results. A leading next-generation financial services platform announced plans to host a conference call to discuss financial and operating results on the second quarter 2021 on Thursday, August 12th at 5 p.m. Eastern. So if you want to listen to that, go ahead and put that on your calendar. And it might be worthwhile for you to listen to. SoFi also plans to release its second quarter fiscal year 2021 results, and you can see the on the website here at the following, and like I said, on Thursday, August 12th. Stocks have a year-to-date performance of 26.21% and weekly performance of 2.61%. Stock has moved down 27.48% over the last 6 months. Stock has performed minus 26.64% around the most 30-day and changed 2.91% over the most recent 3 months. The average true range of SoFi Technologies is set at 1.06. The price to sales ratio of SoFi stock is period over the last 12 months amounting to 22.57. The price to book ratio for the last quarter of 2.56. Over here to Reddit. Nothing going on Reddit. Over here on StockTwits, currently at 1475, a 52-week low of 1010, high of 2826. And that's what I say. What does this become? How is this down 5% while China wish is not down anything? As analyzed by 2 analysts, the buy consensus is at 100%. Analysts seem to be very confident. 250 shares at 1474. And not much else in there. We'll check out tip ranks. Currently at 14.95 with a moderate buy of 2 ratings, showing a buy at $27.50 with a, we'll just call it 84% upside, and a high of 30 and a low of 25. But if you have any of SoFi, go ahead and list it in the comments along with your cost basis and how many shares you have and any other information you care to share on SoFi. And I'll probably be watching it and doing some more updates in the days to come, so be watching for those. And if you haven't subscribed, I hit 1,000 last week. That would really help out the channel to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop, and smash that like button. And that's it for SoFi. I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.